Welcome to Dr. Chloe's clinic. Hi, Julia. It's wonderful to see you eager to learn. What's our topic for today?
Dr. Chloe, I learned about earning interest from saving money. But what's the difference between saving and investing? And what happens when you borrow money?
Great questions, Julia. When you save money, you keep it in a safe place like a bank, and it earns a little bit of interest over time. Your money grows, but slowly. It's great for when you might need your money soon.
I remember the interest part. So what about investing?
Investing is when you use your money to buy things you think will increase in value over time, like stocks or bonds. It can help your money grow faster than saving, but it also comes with more risk. You could end up with a lot more money, or you could lose some.
So saving is safer but grows slowly, and investing can grow faster but is risky. Got it.
Exactly. Now, borrowing money is different. When you borrow, you need to pay back what you took, plus a little extra, called interest. This time, the interest works against you because you're the one paying it.
So it's like giving back more toys than I borrowed. That doesn't sound as good as earning interest.
Right, Julia. Borrowing can be helpful, like for a family buying a home. But it's important to be careful. Always make sure you can manage the extra you need to pay back.
Thanks, Dr. Chloe. I think I'll focus on saving and maybe a little investing with my allowance. And I'll think really carefully before I decide to borrow anything.
That sounds like a wise plan, Julia. Remember, whether you're saving, investing, or considering borrowing, the key is to make informed choices. And I'm here to help you understand those choices. Keep being curious. Do you have any questions? Leave them in the comments with your name, and I'll do my best to answer by creating a video like this. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Your participation encourages me to continue creating content. Thank you for joining our journey at Curiosity Meets Answers.